let us learn to convert this simple loop for to while. Okay, there is another type of loop which is called a while loop. Here, this initialization is done outside the loop body, and this condition checking will be done within the loop body. So since this is just a single condition, so this semicolon will not be required, and this increment decrement type of condition will be put up here. So this has now been converted to a while loop. This initialization is here, then while name, then within while loop, within the round brackets, this condition checking, and then whatever loop things we want to, whatever the term changes we want to do, and then essentially some counter which increases or decreases so that this loop keeps working, and it comes out only when this condition is met. Let us run this also. So this is working well. Now we'll introduce a very simple thing here. We'll introduce this, what numbers are being printed. So numbers are basically I only is being printed, and since I want a gap into two numbers when they are printed, I am putting blank character. So let us run this. Just see. Now, but this is coming in the same line. So let us introduce additional line here. And L in the beginning also, so that this gives me an additional line. So these are the numbers, and some of the numbers from 1 to 10 is 55. So this is about while loop. The interesting part here is that this initializer is outside the loop body. So this can be actually used outside the loop body after the loop as well. That is the advantage of this while loop. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.